guys, it's your girl Alexis Makaya, and I'm back with another video. I got my girl Kay with me. Now today's video is gonna be, I'm gonna be wearing Tinashe hair. The links would be right here below the screen, and the links will be in the description box, so make sure you check out this hair. Today's tutorial is gonna be based off the thumbnail. It's gonna basically be how I achieve this little crimps, you get what I'm saying. So basically it's gonna be how I treat my crimps, and this is my first time doing it. I've always been wanting to do crimps for the longest. So hopefully you guys enjoy this tutorial, and make sure you go check out their website because they got a bunch of affordable prices, a bunch of affordable deals. You know, school's gonna start back. You know, it's summertime. Get you some curly hair, get you some inches pull, you know, shop, period. So let's get to this video. What I do? Oh girl, that part is for the guys. I'm trying to look straight. Let me see. Oh honey, it's off.
This one, like,
it's straight, but it ain't on your nose straight.
I think
yeah, right there. Yeah, that's where it's at. So first you start off by detangling. This hair is not gonna be a top through. This styling video is not gonna be a top through, but you know, just showing you guys what's popping, what's going on. Okay, so you just detangle your hair. This hair does not get tangled at all. Like, I just brush straight through it, baby, and it's ready. So since these hot combs right here, I'm just gonna flatten my part more. Make sure it's more flat. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Hold up. Okay.
That's the damn problem. I can't hold my head up straight to party.
Put it like this, I think. Then she held it, and she went. Did it do it? Let me hold it.
You know that spice. Get that shit gets hot as
Okay. What is this? Where you get these from?
Target.
Really?
Well, you gotta order it online. Yeah.
What I gotta spray on?
I use the Got To Be.
Oh, you spray the Got To Be?
Yeah, or no, well, you can use that. That's strong as hell too. Or you can use Pump It Up. I think when I did my blonde, I used Pump It Up though. Yeah.
To hold it.
And it held for a few days. That girl done got some crimps. Wow.
Period.
Y'all go subscribe to my girl. Like, she gave me the art hair tutorial. Y'all have to go subscribe.
Is that in the middle?
Which is mine in the middle?
Yes. Okay, y'all. Pretty. So I spray some Got To Be on there. Yeah, look at the middle.
Okay.
I was just trying.
I can't tell.
I'm gonna have to pull the other piece. So I'm gonna continue this process, and hopefully you guys enjoy the music that I put in the background.
There it goes. Bye. Like, what's she dancing to? Now you get this one. Yeah, you gotta get that back there. What is this big ass? What that big ass thing?
It looks like though. The hair look good.
I wanted to cut it blunt.
Why? You don't like the end?
I might leave it like that.
You're so fun.
What? Girl, I love doing crimps. It just
I
takes
like
so
crimps.
long. I gotta literally have like a day.
Oh, so I'm rushing on mine.
Nah, you really doing good. I never did them on myself though. I always do it on the way here.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do big crimps. Big one. My sister was not supposed to come up here.
Who she came with?
Her friend. They work together. Gotta go to work tonight. Well, get back on the road to work tomorrow. Cause they stay in Alabama.
Oh yeah, you did say that.
I don't think I'm leaving now.
Where you leaving?
I don't know. But most likely Sunday, probably. Most likely.
I might
as well get videos and shit done.
Yeah. Bitch, I need to drop the prank.
Yeah, you waiting on them too. They probably gonna drop this the next week though.
That's what I'm dropping.
Cause they had videos off the ass. They've been posting different types of videos. I'm like, damn, y'all, they recorded a week ahead of time. Yeah. See me, when I record a video, that's the video I'm going up tomorrow.
Going up next, yeah.
But I need to be like, we need to do a video together. Yes, ma'am.
Alright, and I'm speaking to
Lexus Parks. Okay, so my car broke down. Yes, just I want to see if I can get you some help with that. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Do you have the title for the vehicle?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay, alright, because we were not aware that the vehicle was at a shop. It was put in like it was at your residence.
Oh no.
So we didn't know that the vehicle was actually at a shop, and the driver actually just dropped the vehicle off. So we do have to check here for $134.
Okay.
But we close in like 25 minutes.
Okay, I can be there.
And where are you coming from?
Covington.
Okay, alright. If it's after 5 when you show up, though, we're not going to be able to help you.
Okay, so could you...
We'll have everything shut down already.
Okay, so where's your address? I can pick it up tomorrow. Okay. Okay, so, Kay, they close exactly at 5. She said if I don't come before 5, she can't help me. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this look.